Back to the quote-unquote scene of the crime. And now we're moving forward again. I guess one of the straps got caught, came loose and maybe got caught in the chain. And my gas tank flew off, my strap blew up, and I've just been putting what's left of the gas into the motorcycle because it's got a big slice in it, so I didn't want that pouring all over the road. I walked down the road, picked up my pieces of strap so nobody runs over those. I've still got this little beauty. Now I don't know if it's just wrapped around once or twice or something, or whether this is going to be something more major. So I'm going to set up, I'm going to try and take this off, but let's see how that goes. Alrighty, well, it's just a strap, and the other piece didn't get caught in there. Just looks like it wrapped around and it gave me a big wallop, so I'm gonna try it out here. Like I said, I just left it at the campground, so I'd like to take that jerry can back and put it in the garbage now. Oh, I can't put it in there either. I'm gonna have to figure out what to do with it because I think it said no corrosives and stuff, so maybe I'll set it beside it. But yeah, now I gotta figure out what to do with that, and then I gotta keep moving down the road so that I can get a camp set up. So just when things start going well. But at least we're still on the road, so I'll let you know how this works out when I can. Yeah, fun times, man. This is all part of the experience, I suppose. On top of that, the bike seems to be handling just fine, so I'll keep an eye on it, but it doesn't seem to be any worse for wear at the moment. Once I get to camp and set up here, I'll check everything out. As they say in Quebec, c'est la vie. And we're off. Back to the quote-unquote scene of the crime. And now we're moving forward again. So, made another stop here. I was debating on whether I was going to or not, but I thought it was kind of important, being this trip is going to the Taiga. So I'm at kilometer 232, which is the, and I had to print this off so that I can remember what it is. It's the Broadback River. This is the second of the huge northern rivers that we cross. It also marks the approximate beginning of prehistoric Tyrrell Sea, which I'm going to have to look up myself because I don't know about that. And this is also the approximate southern limit of the taiga. Taiga is a word given to a type of forest here, mostly black spruce and jack pine, with numerous bogs, poor drainage, and small trees growing in sandy soil. So as we go north, we'll start to encounter more of the taiga. Just thought I'd stop here one more time. It's a nice, there's a lookout. I'm going to try and find, I don't think I kind of came down to here thinking this was the lookout, but it looks like there's actually a couple of campsites here. There's one back over here with the fire ring, and I'm standing at the other one here. So this is a nice little spot, but I kind of had my heart set on staying at the Rupert today, so I still got another 20 kilometers-ish to go. Shadows are getting long, so I'm going to go look for this lookout. So I'm heading down the trail here now. If I slow down, I don't know if the microphone is strong enough on this to pick it up, but you can hear it. So, and I can see it here just now. We're getting close. So I'm starting to wonder if this is a hike or a lookout. Oh yeah. Wow. Beautiful. And I'm starting to feel the breeze too. It's so much cooler down here. Oh. Alrighty, well, I'm gonna head back to the bike and get going on to the campground now. So I will meet you there. Enjoy. Alrighty, so technical difficulties. Come on, girl. Oy. So here we are. It's about 9:30. Just set up the tent. The helmet photography ran out of juice, and you missed a whole bunch of stuff along the way, which I'm probably going to narrate in later on. But what a day. Day 2 was long. It was good. It was bad. It was trying, and I would just go on from there. So I do hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you tomorrow, day 3. Enjoy and good night.